All right, so there's R prime. And then negative 6, 8. 8. There's S prime, and T prime is at 4. Well, yeah, you just connect the lines just like you would if it was the only thing on the page. Yeah, it's okay if it sometimes it's going to run into the other one, and that's okay. So see the enlargement of that triangle. Stretches it out. They're a really, really easy thing. All right. Really easy thing. Let's do a reduction. Let's go down there to number 3. And it has rhombus JKLM and gives us the vertices. So I'm going to graph JKLM first. And so negative 10, 2. There's J. K is at negative 2, 8. And then L, 6, 2. And then M is at negative 2. It's not a square. It's a rhombus. To be a square, what's the difference in a rhombus and a square? You might know. A rhombus is a square. But what are the angles in the corners of a square? 90 degrees, and those are not 90 degrees. All the way around. But the sides are all the same length, so that's what makes it a rhombus. All right, so let's get our image ordered pairs. Again, it's just multiplying. So 1/2 times negative 10 would be negative 5. 1/2 times 2 is 1. 1/2 times negative 2 is negative 1. 4, 3, 1, negative 1, negative 2. Multiplying each coordinate by that scale factor of 1/2. And then just connect the dots, and you got it. So a reduction with the scale factor of 1/2 out of that. If it has a scale factor that doesn't work out to be nice numbers, I'm okay with you going to decimals with this, so that when you plot those points, like if it says if it reduces, it's a reduction or an enlargement, and it gives you an ordered pair like 2.50. 2.5 go to 2.5, and then that's your X value there. I'm okay with you having decimals in your ordered pairs. I normally don't do that, but with this, I'm okay with that. Absolutely fine to do that. Look over there on the back at the last number 11. Okay, number 11, we're taking a drawing that's already done for us, and they want us to identify the scale factor. Okay, so how many ordered pairs do I need? All of them? Just 2. One of the pre-image and one of the image. So Which one is this going to, our K value should be bigger than 1 or less than 1 for this picture? Less than 1, because our image, the one with the primes on it, is smaller. So I'm going to use, let's see, point D would work fine. D is at 0, 6, and D prime is at 0, 2, and the scale factor would be 1/3. And again, you're taking the coordinates from D prime over D. And the zeros don't really help us, but the 2 over 6 is where that's coming from, 1/3 there. If you have a image and pre-image that's on the origin, you definitely can't use that ordered pair. Just got to make sure you got one that's got some stuff on there. That same ratio exists for F and F prime or E and E prime. Doesn't matter which ordered pair you pick. Just pick one you think's the easiest and go from there. So really easy stuff today. Nothing major.